This video is to show you how to record your favorite shows using Sling. Sling is a great alternative to traditional cable. If you're like us, we cut the cable cord a long time ago to save some money, and Sling is super affordable and it still gives us access to that live TV, live games that we really want to see at a much cheaper price. It also allows us to record those live shows, which is great. I'm going to be using an Apple TV, but you can do this on any device that you have. Simply from the home screen, we're going to go over here to the left side of the screen, and we're going to select Guide. Once we select Guide, it's going to bring up all the upcoming shows that we have available. So let's say I'm just scrolling on here, and it's, wow, what is it? 1:30 in the morning, Around the Horn is coming on, and I really want to see this show, but I'm not going to be up for it. I'm just going to select the show, and then I'm going to select Record. And when I do that, that pop-up in the right corner there pops up, tells me that it's recording, and I'm good to go. To access that recording at a later time, we're just going to come back out here to the home screen, go all the way back over here to this side again, and now we're going to go under Guide to where it says DVR. Click on DVR, and then all the shows that I have recorded will be accessed right here. I just click on it, and I can watch it at any time I want. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up.